Greetings to all. This is Sumil Kaur and you're watching my YouTube channel IELTS by Sumil. I hope that you're loving my videos, so if you are, don't forget to press the like and subscribe button. If you're new to the channel, please do so and spread the love. So today I thought I would make another video on a speaking sample, and this time an examiner will take my speaking.
What's your name?
My name is Sumil Kaur.
What are your hobbies?
I have many hobbies, but I mostly like to make short videos on YouTube as well as Instagram in my free time.
What do you do to relax?
I do plethora of things to relax my body as well as mind. First of all, I practice yoga first thing in the morning. After that, I do some bit of stretching as well as other exercises. Apart from that, whenever I feel that I'm exhausted, I try to take a nap.
Do you think doing sports is a good way to relax?
Obviously, I believe that if a person practices sports in his free time, then he can freshen his body and calm down himself, and he can relax in a variety of ways by doing different kinds of sports.
Do you think vacation is a good time for you to relax?
In fact, I do believe that vacations are a really great time for me to get rid of my stress and freshen my body as well as mind. As I work from 9 to 5 every day and my body gets really tired, so if I take a little bit of leave or go somewhere or visit any kind of peaceful place, then I feel really relaxed.
Do you think students need more relaxing time?
Yes, I do think so, that in my country students require a lot of relaxing time. They are sent to first school and then they have to do a lot of tuition work, and they also have to practice sports. So I think that they should be given a lot of time so that they can get rid of the extra worry and anxiety and relax more and more.
Let's talk about your cue card.
As I am a student, I have to learn ample of languages in my daily life so that I can communicate with the people of other languages. As I have planned to move to Canada in my future, so over there French is an official language. So that is why my aunt advised me to learn this language either by joining classes or by downloading an app. She gave me an alternative, but after consulting with one of my friends, Anisha, I thought of downloading the app named Duolingo. I downloaded it from Play Store, and when I opened this app in my mobile phone, I came to know that Duolingo is an owl which teaches plethora of languages in a fun way. This owl gives me daily lessons, a target of 5, 10, 15 minutes, and if I do and achieve my target every day, then a streak is built. When I practiced French on this app, I started to learn various kinds of French alphabets, accents, how to pronounce certain words. For example, a hat in French is called a chateau and a cat is called chat. I also learned that there are so many words and letters that are silent in French, and there are some notations which change the whole pronunciation of word. I believe that this app has proved to be really useful for me, and I recommend it to everybody so that they can learn any kind of language, not only French but also other languages, to communicate with others, and obviously which is free of cost.
Let's start part 3. What difficulty do people What problem do face What problem do people face when learning a language?
I think there are ample of problems that individuals face when they learn any kind of new language. The first thing is that they will have difficulty in processing how to pronounce certain words, as there are certain letters in some languages that are silent, and how to properly pronounce that might become a challenge. Apart from that, learning the rules of grammar of any language are really difficult for a newbie. For that, the person will have to practice more and more by writing as well as speaking, and he can even ask his teacher about the rules of the grammar.
Do you think language learning is important? Why?
In fact, I think that language learning is extremely essential for everyone. Not only children but adults also have to have certain kind of knowledge about the languages typically used around the world, so that they can grab more and more employment opportunities. They can learn about the culture of different countries as well as conversate with foreign people whenever they visit any kind of country for work or for pleasure.
What is better to study alone or to study in a group? Why?
I believe that studying in a group is far more efficient than studying by oneself. The reason is that if we study in a group or with others, we can gather more and more ideas about other people, which will help us to correct our mistakes as well, and we can also correct others' mistakes. This will be a fun time activity which can help us to utilize our time more effectively.
Was the better What's the best way to learn a language?
I think the best way to learn any language would be to practice more and more in an offline method. Apart from that, a person can also consult with his teacher by attending regular classes, by writing the language down, by reading lots of newspaper articles, watching videos related to that language, and practicing this language more and more.